Hello, you guys.
Hello.
How are ya?
How's it going?
Here we are.
We just got our order super fast.
Very, very fast.
Gosh, you know, we just looked out today and boom, there it was.
Yeah. Yeah. So, hope you guys are doing well. So, we got our doTERRA box.
We had a lot of stuff.
Lots of
I mean,
stuff.
I can't believe how we go through things and, oh, I'm out on that and I'm out on that too. So what I decided this month is I thought I needed to get the LLV reordered. So this is the LLV here. It's got 3 things and of course your omegas. And with that, I was able to get 3 added to the cart at a reduced price. So because you could do the LLV, you can get this dual pack, the Probiome Gut Complex. If you do it another way, you have to buy these 2 things separate. So with this, I was able to get the Pixie Sticks and also the Restore on that, which is really important because I use that every day.
They're both amazing.
So that was one of the add-ons. The other add-on, of course, Deep Blue Polyphenol. I take that every day. I think it really helps because, you know, you need all the proactivity things to help you be more fluent and fluid.
Yes.
Fluid. And I definitely need that these days. And the other thing that I added on there were, of course, I was very, very low on my my MetaPWR Advantage Collagen. And of course, this is the one I really like, which is the pomegranate cherry flavoring. So I got that on that type of thing. And then the other thing that I got that I was completely out because we split one of these, VMG Plus, and I was completely out on this, so I was using my chewable vitamins for about a week. So, you know, when you use the product and you're the product of the product, you're going to always reorder something every month. And, of course, you get bonus points.
Yes.
So I was able to get that reordered too because I put this in with my protein shake and I put other things in there, and this is a good way to do it. Of course, I was able to get a couple of extra things. I got an extra PB Restore I'm going to share with my mom, and then the TerraZyme. I was running low on the TerraZyme, so these were bonus points. So I didn't have to pay for these, but we do have tons of points because we use the product a lot.
Yes, we
So
do.
this is what I got for this month.
Yep. Okay, drum roll, please. I got the VMG as well, which I needed, and I got 3 different things with this. Well, you have to order this and this to be able to customize your cart
The
and
Omega
add
Plus.
things to it. So I did that, and then I got the PB Assist, the little sticks. I use these all the time. And I got PB Restore. My daughter, her leg got sliced open a few months ago, and it was so infected. So she's been on antibiotics for a long time, and she went to her doctor the other day just to have this dang thing looked at again. And he said, you need some vitamin E and you need a probiotic. And she said, my mom's got doTERRA, and he says, that's the one. Those are really, really good probiotics and stuff. So there's that. And then I used some points for TerraZyme. I think I used points. I might not have. But anyway, these, as we've talked about before, are the enzymes that break down your food. Therefore, you're going to absorb the food and the nutrients so that you have the vitamins and the nutrients from this. And these are great. If you ever feel like, oh my gosh, I ate a little bit too much, just take a second one because they're not going to hurt you. Okay.
They're so good.
They really are. Then I got a couple bags of the On Guard throat drops. Whoa, there it goes. And I got a couple of the bags of the Breathe throat drops as well. Both of these are so good to have on hand. The On Guard ones, of course, are the On Guard blend. It's a protective blend. It just helps your immune system. It helps when you got that little tickle in your throat or you got a little cough coming on or whatever. Just great way to supplement your immune system. Breathe, I love these things. I get stuffy really quite often and easily, and you start sucking on one of those and you can just feel everything opening up, and you feel that kind of like a vapor thing going on where you just feel like your lungs are getting more air and stuff like that. Then I also got, I didn't open this box. This is the On Guard mouthwash. This stuff's kind of spicy and hot. There again,
really
immune
good.
support, but it really works really, really good.
Good for the gums.
Super good. And then I decided I'd get the Super Mint toothpaste this time.
Yeah, I'll get that next time.
Just for a switch up. Then we got On Guard, there again, protective blend in here. This is the laundry soap. We only have about that much left.
And we use just a teeny
Yeah,
bit every time
yes.
on
If
the
you
wash,
have
so they last a while.
Yes, it does. Top load, you only need a tablespoon. If you have a front load, it suggests 2 tablespoons. Then we've got some oils here. So that goes with that. I bought the new Winterberry, which is only available while the supplies last. This is one of the things out of the holiday catalog. And it smells, some people like it, some people don't. Some say that it smells better in a diffuser than just out of the bottle. But somebody was saying, and we smelled it at convention, and it smells kind of like, one person mentioned, it smells like raspberry jam or something like that. It's got all kinds of cool things in it. Not that I can read this, but anyway, I think it smells good. So I bought 1 bottle for the holiday thing.
So limited for the holidays.
And then bergamot, however you say it.
Very good stuff.
This is really good. It's very uplifting, and it's a citrus.
It's just
so
really
you
good
can't
for
use it on your skin and go out in the sun. You need it on the bottom of your feet, or use it in your hands and smell it. It's great in a diffuser.
I use it in my shakes.
Yeah,
Because it's
really,
you can use it
really
internally.
good. It's super, super good for you.
It's
so I used
good
points
for
on
you.
that one. And then Melissa is a really pricey little bugger, but it's so worth it. It's really good for immune support, really good if you're feeling kind of down and you're like just feeling yucky.
Yeah, the other word is lemon balm.
Yeah.
And
So,
it's really good.
yes. And this is 20% off
Yeah.
because it's a pricey
So
thing.
you might want to get it as soon as you can. 'Cause
Yeah,
they
it's
go fast.
really good to have these on hand. And some people are using it also because it helps their emotions when you're feeling discouraged. And it's kind of a spicy little thing, but you can just tip the bottle, of course with the lid off, and then just stick it on the back of your throat, on the roof of your mouth. Really is beneficial for those emotions. Then the free oil of the month is a 5 ml Breathe. There again, Breathe, great in a diffuser. Like I said, I do get stuffy, and I will also sometimes put this on the bottom of my feet, like on the bottom of my toes, which is your sinus area in reflexology.
And some people just put it on the bridge of their nose
Yep.
before they go to bed, and it helps,
Yes.
it helps you kind of,
Yeah.
kind of smell it during the night.
Yep, and open things up for sure. And then I got just a couple of things, a couple other things from the holiday guide. This is the Vanilla Dream Restorative Hand Cream. I haven't even opened this yet because we just got the box. So I'm going to open it. Oh, it's got one of those little things on there. If I can get hold of it. Oh my goodness, I can't even see it. Oh, there we go. Come on. I guess I should have done this before we started, huh? Okay.
There we
That
go.
was on there
You
good.
got it.
Ooh, I love vanilla. I love the smell of vanilla.
Smells
I'm
good.
gonna just put a little tiny bit on my hands. And then I'm gonna breathe it in. Ooh, it feels really, really good. Oh gosh, I love that. Ooh, that
It's like
smells.
Christmas.
It does. Okay, so I bought this little, you know, the bubble diffusers. This one's different. It's only for holiday time until they run out. This little silver little thing comes with, not that one, comes with, oh yeah, a full-size bottle of Holiday Joy. And it's,
You screw it on.
yep, you just take the lid off and then you screw it in there just like that. And
It'll
then,
drip out. It'll
yeah,
drip in
it
there.
might, but
It'll drip in there a
it's
little bit.
motion activated. So when it's on, you can have it on all the time, I believe also. And it comes with a little cord and all that
You
stuff.
can charge it.
But, and then when somebody walks past it, it sprays. When you first turn it on, it's gonna mist like 4 or 5 times, but after that it'll just mist once or twice as people walk by. These are so cool to have. They're kind of a fun little thing. And one thing it does mention is that the bubble diffuser works best if you're using an oil that does not have the fractionated coconut oil in it. For some reason that kind of makes it a little sticky. So anyway, so that, just use those oils that don't have the coconut oil. And then I want to tell you a little bit about these little cards that come in our stuff, our box. If you use this QR code, then it's going to take you to some information about the Breathe and and then the QR code on the other side is how to make the doTERRA Breathe shower melts. And those are kind of like, they're kind of solid, but not solid, if you know what I mean. And you just kind of put them in the bottom of your shower, not directly in the water, but enough so it'll get, you know, so it'll melt down, and then you breathe in your shower. Spa day. And then the other thing is this little card about Healing Hands, which is the Healing Hands project, which helps people in third world countries to earn a living. They can get microloans, and they help build schools. They do all kinds of things with that funding. And if you purchase what is called Together, that was a convention oil a few years ago, and they still have some. And I think, yeah, it's just on your back office. Sometimes you can find things. If you're in the searching, you can go to limited time or specials and things like that and find some of these things. So if you do that, if you buy one of these Together, which smells really, really good, then $20 of that will be donated to Healing Hands. So that's a great thing. I love that doTERRA has, you know, purpose on both sides of the bottle. So I think that's everything, which is a lot of stuff. We did use some points, and I know there were I used the points for the throat drops, and I think I don't remember what all.
I got was a couple of things that I
Yeah,
got.
so we did use points on a few things, and I think we used about 180 or 90 points, but we earned about 160. But this is a big order, so we did get a lot of points this month for
so
that.
it seems like every month we're trying to use up some of our bonus points to get either the more expensive items or just items that we don't have, and we want to replenish.
Yeah, so that is it. Hope you guys are doing fabulous, and
have a great week.
Oh, also, I forget this all the time. If anybody's watching on YouTube, I would love it if you would like, subscribe, and even share.
Thumbs up.
Appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.